Alright, hello everyone, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. We're live at the Avalanche party and we're having E to the FE in the house tonight, and I'm so super excited about it. And I'm no other person but your favorite VJ Spencer, and I have in the house.
I'm Alexandra Choma Ilika.
And I'm Kyra, just Kyra.
Just Kyra. And together we are your hosts for tonight.
No be lies. Easy my phone. They call me a friend.
The Avalanche party, University of Port Harcourt, first time ever. And I'm really excited about this because we are having Efe in the house.
Efe, we all know him from Big Brother. You know how he thrilled us, how he made us excited all the while we watched him on Big Brother, and now he's here in UNIPORT, and I cannot wait to kick off my shoes and dance all night long.
We're still on the red carpet and it's a girl, Choma. And with me is a wonderful artist, Jblaze Torf. Yes, this guy is really tough, and he had his video launch on Sunday, and then it was awesome. So Jblaze, I mean, what are you doing here today? Are you performing? What are you doing today?
I'm performing, yeah.
So you're singing your Abrakadabra.
Abracadabra, the money be coming like Abracadabra. Abracadabra,
Are we gonna dance to
the money be
that?
coming like. You have to dance, right? You can't avoid it. You have to dance to that. Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna dance. When you're singing, just look at the back. You see me dance, you know.
Yeah, sure.
You know, really, his songs are awesome. You can go and download his songs. It's awesome, Abrakadabra. And yes, it's Jblaze Torf. This guy is tough.
God they faithful. So you see I'm grateful for all the things he has done. See my playful. The guys only grow bigger. His eyes don't tear. I take shots above the eye jigger. Say big dreams, let me red eye. Cause give me beef, I go turn out to eat pie. Abracadabra. The money be coming like Abracadabra. Abracadabra.
We're still on the Avalanche party, University of Port Harcourt, and we're having Efe in the house tonight. And for now, we're having on the red carpet a very wonderful noble man, and his name is
Chisom Eze.
Chisom Eze is a name. So, Mr. Chisom Eze, you are part of the organizers. I can see.
Publisher of the Bug Mag.
Oh,
Bug
publisher,
Magazine.
publisher.
The ones organizing it.
Because we've seen you doing a whole lot, putting together and all that. So, what are your expectations for the show?
Well, the event is actually set up to bring young people together and let them show up those things they like, because we believe that you use common interests. Using those common interests, dance, music and style to connect young people.
Wow, that's really lovely. That's really lovely. Okay, let's bring this board about Ife on his musical career. Do you think Ife should continue with singing or he should just quit?
He's a wonderful artist. He has a big market and high prospects, because he's someone that has actually brought new vibes to whole broken worry style, and I believe he can create something out of it. He's the only rapper now that does it in broken and does it well. So he's doing very well, and he's already a big celebrity, so he will build on that.
So right now, which of his song do you rock?
Which of his songs? Somebody.
I get to somebody, man. That song is wow. So we're looking out tonight for Avalanche Party, University of Port Harcourt version, and it is BN Entertainment. We're bringing to you live. Don't touch that dial. People are actually saying that if he doesn't have a career with singing, because he won't be BBN Naija, and all that. So what do you think? Do you think he has a career with singing? Should he continue? Are you saying nay or go ahead?
This case, it's not really hard, but you can't just tell someone that he doesn't know what he's doing. He cannot sing or he cannot rap or something like that.
No. I think you can actually tell a guy who has a future with singing.
Let's say Ife now, he has his art and he knows his art. The only thing that is left for him to do is to develop his art. Simple. You can develop your art and be into something. Well, people might not say, okay, I say this guy doesn't know what he's doing, but later on, if you develop yourself and develop your art, people get to recognize and appreciate what you have.
Okay, that's a wonderful one. So I want you to just answer this question straight. Nay or go ahead?
Go ahead.
It was still live at the Avalanche party and I'm still excited. Like I can't wait to see this guy. Ah! Okay, right now I'm having three lovely girls with me. And first of all, I'll go with her. What's her name?
I'm Josephine.
Josephine. Oh, you're looking so beautiful. Yeah, so what's your name?
Tina.
I like your makeup. Ah, so what's your name?
Augusta.
Augusta. You were born in August. Do you know Efe very well?
Yeah, I know him. Yeah.
Big Brother Naija winner.
Yeah.
So do you know his songs?
Yeah, I know his name.
Which of his songs do you know?
I can't really recall, but I know I've watched one of his songs.
Wow. MTV Base. So you know Efe very well. So which of his songs are you super excited about?
I know the one that was based on the
I have a dream like Martin Luther King. So what based on logistics, right? So what about you?
Yeah, I do.
So which of his songs are you excited? Which of them do you want?
I can't really remember any, but I've seen most of them on MTV Base.
Yeah. Okay, so what are your expectations? What are you expecting for the Avalanche party? As for me, I just know it's going to be explosive and exclusive. Like, I can't wait. So what about you? What are you expecting?
I just want it to be the bomb. I just want to be like, wow, the talk of the town, you know. Yeah.
And you're actually doing runway. Huh?
Yeah.
Looking forward to see you.
Yeah.
Okay, so what about you? What are your expectations?
I'm actually excited because I've not seen it before, and today is my first time, so I'm expecting a show out of this world.
A show out of this world.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know, if I've not really seen him before, so I'm really expecting a big surprise. Like I know it's going to be fantastic. It's going to be superb and lit.
Wow, okay, let's do this very briefly. There's been this buzz about Ife and his musical career. A lot of persons are saying, Ife, Billionaire Naija, you should not sing now, you should just look for a career, you know. So what do you think? Are you giving him a nay or a go ahead?
Well, for me, I'm giving him a go ahead.
A go ahead from you. So are you giving him a nay or a go ahead?
Of course, a go ahead.
Go ahead. Nobody's giving him a nay. So are you giving him a nay or a go ahead?
A go ahead because it's in him.
Three go aheads. For that reason, tonight we're just gonna be dancing. I get to somebody. We get to somebody. I see I don't touch that die. It's BN Entertainment.
No be lies. Easy my fault. They call me a friend. I get to somebody we get to somebody we like you somebody. Hey, I said I get you somebody we get you somebody.
So it's your girl Kyra, and we're still here at the gym, and I'm here with two lovely, delectable ladies, and you are Justina, and you're Beatrice. Oh my God, such lovely names for such beautiful dancers. Now tell me, who are you the most excited to see here?
Oh my God, I think Efe and other artists.
Efe. Everyone seems to be saying the same thing. Efe, can you hear us? What about you?
Efe too.
Oh my God.
I would love to sing.
Now, are you ready to dance? Are you ready to get down for Efe? Are you ready to take off your dancing shoes?
Yes, we're ready for it.
Okay, well, it's nice to have you around. Now go in, you can have fun. Thank you.
Yes, we're still on the red carpet, and with me is the Black Billionaire fashion. Please introduce yourself.
My name is David.
And you are?
Lami Blaze.
Oh, Lami Blaze, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and I am Alexandra Choma. And yes, they are here with their designs. These guys, they do a lot of good work. Can you tell us more about your brand?
Yeah, the Black Billionaire fashion and art brand, it's basically an urban clothing brand in Port Harcourt City, and we do a whole lot of stuffs. We do lumberjacks, we do bomber jackets, we have different kind of collections you would actually love to see. We have the Suzette collection trending already in Scotland, Aberdeen City, and we also have Nimi Wilson Jack collection, and we also have the L collection. These collections are the three collections we've actually put out there for everyone to subscribe to.
Yes, we are still on the red carpet at the Avalanche party, University of Port Harcourt, first time ever. And really, blessed is she among all these men. Really, these are all the models we have in the house, and they're contesting for Mr. UNIPORT, and they are here to exhibit for the fashions and all that. Really, these guys are just too hot. Like, I'm getting hotter. Really.
Avalanche party! Yo! Alright, good evening.
Good evening.
What's your name, please?
I'm new receiving.
Alright, so how you feeling about this party?
The party's going well, I think it will be a boring party, but right now we're having fun. We're having fun here.
I can see that. I can see you came all the way to the front. It means you are a very big fan, so
I'm a very big fan of Efe. When I was in the Big Brother house, I was a fan to him. I love him. I love his show. It was real.
alright, the count of 3 now. We're gonna be saying Avalanche party with Efe. 3, 2, 1, go! Avalanche party with Efe! And it's big news giving it to you live. Avalanche party with Efe! Avalanche party with Efe! Thank you! How are you feeling about this Avalanche party?
Man, it was great, man.
It was great. I can see the excitement. They were so happy seeing you. You can see the fun. You can see the excitement. Like the joy was there. Those that logistic was there. Somebody killed me actually. Okay. I want to ask you a very simple question. First of all, it's a funny one. But how do you say on your song? Shabina love you go share. Shabina this. Can you share your woman?
My woman? No, why would I share my woman?
You will share your woman.
Nah,
and it's all based on logistics. Hope you're gonna see you next time, UNIPORT.
Yes. The love I got today, man. I'm adding UNIPORT to my campus store. Starting on the 5th of October.
5th of October. And UNIPORT is added to the list. So thank you so much for having you, Mr. Somebody.
Somebody will get you somebody. Somebody will like you somebody. Somebody. Hey, I said I get you somebody.